in both of these cases, the Moore case, which deals with gerrymandering and racial justice in North Carolina, and in the possibility that affirmative action, which really means whether race can be used as a factor in college admissions, not the determinative factor, not the only factor, this Supreme Court is poised to overturn 50 years of racial justice and 50 years of constitutional interpretations which support the end of this nation's long history of discrimination. So I am not optimistic, but I want to be, if you will, prayerful and hopeful that this Supreme Court will recognize that the way in which the public has reacted to Dobbs should send a signal that this court continues to undermine its own legitimacy. And Justice Roberts last week said people should not challenge the legitimacy of the court because, quote unquote, they disagree with this decision. Justice Roberts, no, it's that the court changes simply because it has new members. It's acting like a political body through and through, and the American people respect that and understand that. We have fought too long and too hard, and the Supreme Court has generally been one of the important institutions in the nation's march towards racial justice and in overcoming its ugly history of Plessy and the Dred Scott decision and many others. For us to be silent, for us to be inactive, or for us to feel powerless as this Supreme Court, if you will, seeks to literally repeal the last 50 to 70 years of constitutional jurisprudence. I'm outraged.